Page 124. We have a new time signature here, 6/8 time. And it's a versatile thing, so let's talk about it. Music written in 6/8 time can get really ugly looking because you got eighth notes going nuts. And you think, oh, ugh. However, keep in mind an eighth note gets a count. So, okay, we'll deal with it. With 6/8 time, you already know an eighth note gets a count. I just said that. But there's 6 of them in a measure. And normally, you'll see them grouped 3 at a time. They're grouped according to the feel or the natural accent. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are pieces in 6/8 time that I actually felt in 3, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've seen them. They're very rare. You don't get them very often, but the point is they could be there. And if that's the case, you're going to see the eighth notes beamed in 2, according to the feel of it. However, we're going to stick with just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feel. A lot of marches are written in 6/8 time. You think they're playing triplets, triplet, triplet, trip. No, it's in 6/8 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, a lot of marches. The rhythm can look really ugly because of the eighth notes and the rests and all. Look at this first pattern here on page 124. They're just giving you the 1, 2, 3, and you can play any note you want, or you can just tap. I'm just going to play a note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And typically when I do this, I'll do the fingering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big deal. Look at on the first pattern, the third measure, you see the quarter rest. It has a dot behind it. It's a dotted quarter rest. Remember, for every note, there's a rest, and any note can be dotted, so any rest can be dotted. They could use a dotted quarter rest, or they could put in a quarter rest and an eighth rest. Same difference. But the point is, it gets 3 counts, a dotted quarter rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what they're doing there. In the second pattern, you see the bottom one is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That pattern. And then the upper with the rest, and that's a whole rest. Remember, a whole rest is just a whole measure. So here it gets 6 counts. That pattern. Whatever. Third pattern, they're just dotted quarter notes. Remember, a dotted quarter note is the same as 3 eighth notes. It just gets 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And the dotted half note gets 6 counts, or the whole measure. Dotted half note for the whole measure, yeah. Then on page 125, they give familiar melodies that are in 6/8 time here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's okay. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here. And the next one is pickup beat. So we're coming in on beat 6. 6, 1. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? And then the last one, the dotted quarter notes. They fall on the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This gives you that swaying feeling. Yeah, a lot of stuff that sort of wants to show or sound like water will be in a flowing like this feel. And that's 6/8 time. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm guessing we're going to be getting some pieces in 6/8 time coming up.